أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم السلام عليكم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي زدني علما. My name is Muhammad Qasim Ilmi from Al-Furqan Hakeem Academy, Lahore, Pakistan. I'm making this video for those who want to teach online Quran in Urdu and English in all over the world. So this video would be very useful and very informative for them. So please watch this video completely. Please share it as much as you can, and especially on WhatsApp, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram and Facebook. Thank you very much. This is fourth kalma. Chotha kalma, Tawheed. La ilaha illallahu. This is the lam zabar, alif mad la. This is the mad munfasil because after short mad hamza is coming separately, okay, and we called it mad munfasil. Hamza zer e, lam standing zabar la, ha zabar ha, la ilaha. Hamza zer lam il, lam zabar la, illa. You will read with the extra stress, okay, because lam has tashdid sign over there, and there is a zabar before isme jalalat. And I told you in previous lesson you will read with the tafkhim this isme jalalat. What is the meaning of tafkhim? Bold. You will read boldly, heavily, strongly. So this isme jalalat you will read illallahu. This was a barwa will connect with the ha. This is the throttle letter. Harufe halkiya. They were 6. Wahdahu. Lam zabar alif la. This is the alif madda here. Sheen zabar sha. Ra ze ya ri. This is the ya madda. You will stretch a little bit. Shari. Kaf zabar ka. Sharika. Lam zabar la. Ha ulta pesh hu. Okay, standing pesh you call it standing. Call and reverse pesh. Okay. Lahu. Lam zabar la. Ha reverse pesh hu. Lahu. Lahul. This hu sound will connect with the lam sakina. Lahu. Lahul mulku. Mim pesh la mulka pesh ku mulku. Wala hul. Wa zabar wa. Lam zabar la. Ha reverse pesh lam hul. Wala hul. Ha zabar mim ham. Wala hul ham. Dal pesh du. Wala hul hamdu. Ya pesh ha yuh. Ya standing there. Yi yuh yi. Wa yumitu. Wa zabar wa. Ya pesh yu. Mim zer yami. Ta pesh tu. This is the ya madda. Wa yumitu. You will stretch a little bit. Okay. And I told you in previous lesson there were 3 madda letters. Alif madda, waw madda, ya madda. Okay. When there is a zabar before alif, alif become madda letter. Okay. When there is a page before waw sakina, okay, then waw sakina become madda letter. And when there is a fail before ya sakina, okay, then ya sakina become ya madda. So wa yumitu wa huwa hayyul. You will read this hayy with the extra stress, okay. Hayyul yamutu. This is the waw madda. Abadan abada. Abadan abada. Okay. After tanween, hamza throat letter is coming, so you will make a izhar here. Okay, izhar. And we had already learned in tanween and nun sakina rules. Okay, izhar, idgham, iqlab, and ikhfa. Okay, so you make a izhar here. Okay, because after tanween, hamza throat letter is coming. Abadan, and dan sound of dal, right, would be clear. Abadan, abada, because when there is a tani ta is coming in the middle of the verse, and we call it waqf mutlaq, and you will stop. When you stop at the last letter, then you will read the, because dal has double zabar over there and alif is equal 1 zabar, so we will remove 1 zabar and you will read abada. Abada. Dhul Jalali wal Ikram. Zal pesh Zal pesh lam zul, jim zabar ja, lam zabar alif, la lam zelli, zul jalali. This is an empty letter, okay? This is an empty letter. There is no any moment on it. There is no any zabar, zer, pesh, even jazm sign on wow. This is an empty letter. You will skip it, okay? You will skip it. And we skipped the wow and alif because they both are empty letters. You will not read them. So zal is a very soft letter. Okay? Zal pesh, zul jalali, wal ikram, wa zabar lam wal, hamza zer qaf ik, wal ik, ra zabar alif ra. This is the alif madda here, mim zer mi, wal ikrami. And look, there is a tiny ta is coming in the middle of the verse, end of the verse. Okay, we call it waqf mutlaq. When you stop at the waqf mutlaq, the last letter mim changed into mim sakina. Okay, wal ikram biyadihil khayr, biyadihil khayr, ba zer bi, ya zabar ya, dal zer di, ha zer lam hil. This heel sound will connect with lam sakina, biyadihil. This is the kha zabar ya khay, this is the ya leen. Okay, ra pe shuru, biyadihil khayru. When you stop at the end of the waqf mutlaq, okay, the last letter ra pe shuru would be changed into ra sakina, biyadihil khayr. Wa huwa, wa zabar wa, ha pe shu, wa zabar wa huwa, ain zabar a, lam standing zabar la, wa huwa ala. This is the empty letter. Ya is empty letter, and we will skip it. Okay, we will skip it. Okay, we don't read it because there is no any moment. Okay, moments mean zer, zabar, pesh, shad, mad, right, and even jazm sign. So we will skip it. Okay, this is a silent letter. Okay, I give you an example. Listen. Okay, L-I-S-T-E-N, listen. T is a silent letter. Okay, we will not read, and we don't try to read a listen. Okay, listen to my dear friend. Okay, it is wrong, and please listen to me, sir. So listen, T is a silent and ya is a silent at this time. Kulli, tapesh lam, kul lam zeli, kulli. You will read extra stress with the lam zer. Okay, lam zeli. Kulli, this is a soft cough. Shay, sheen zabar ya, shay. Hamza, two zer. You make a ikfa here because after tanween, after noon sakina and tanween, if ikfa letter is appearing, then you make ikfa rule on hamza. Okay, shay. Qadirun, qadirun. Okay, this is the waqf tam. Right, when you stop at the waqf tam, the last letter or two pesh or run would be changed into ra sakina. And how to read this word? Kulli shay'in qadir. Now I'm going to read Urdu translation for Asian people, Indian Muslim, Pakistani, Bangladesh, those who understand Urdu. अल्लाह अज़्वजल के सिवा कोई माबूद नहीं, वो अकेला है, उसका कोई शरीक नहीं, उसी के लिए है बादशाही और उसी के लिए तारीफ है। वही जिंदा करता और मारता है और वो जिंदा है, उसको हरगिज कभी मौत नहीं आएगी। बड़े जलाल और बुजुर्गी वाला है, उसके हाथ में भलाई है और वो हर चीज पर कादिर है। माशाअल्लाह। There is none worthy of worship except Allah. He is only one. There is no partners for him. For him is the kingdom and for him is the praise. He gives life and accuses death, and he is alive. He will not die, never ever, possessor of majesty and reverence in his hand is the goodness, and he is the goodness, and he is on everything power of the Kaaba. As the Kaaba was badly damaged by floods, the different tribes of Makkah worked together to build the Kaaba again. The building was almost finished. Only the famous black stone known as Hajray Aswad was left to be set into its place, and the tribes started calling because each tribe wanted to have the honor to replace the stone. There was great fear that fighting would take place. When a wise old man gave them an idea, he said that the first person to enter the Kaaba in the morning shall suggest what was to be done. This idea was accepted by all the tribes. It so happened that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was the first person to enter the Kaaba in the morning. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was asked what to do. He took a sheet and spread it on the ground. He placed the black stone in the center of the sheet and asked the chiefs of all the tribes to lift it up together. When the sheet reached the proper height, he lifted the black stone and put it in its proper place. Everyone was happy and the problem was solved. MashaAllah. So thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.